Hey everybody, welcome to this video series on how to edit videos before uploading on YouTube. So today we are going to learn a little bit more about how to use the software that is Shortcut, and essentially what we are going to learn today is we will see how to open a new project on Shortcut, and you will see how to add files of recordings to this project, and then we will see how to merge these files so that we can have smooth transitions between the files. And finally, once we have done the merging, we will see how to export and save the files on your hard drive. So, in Shortcut, once you open the window, this is how the panel looks like, and suppose if you are seeing something else, you can go to layout and then hit restore default layout. So, then whatever your setting is will appear like this on the screen. So, here you can see there is a panel that says new project. So, here you can click on it and you can decide the folder in which you want to create a project that you are working on, and then there is option to name the project. So, let us name it practice, and there are different video modes you can choose from, HD, Ultra HD. So, or you can keep it as automatic for the moment and then hit start. And once you do that, basically the project has been created. So, you see a practice.mlt file appear on the top, and now what you need to do is you need to import files in this project. So, you can click on playlist, and then we have the option actually that you can just choose the files and just drag them onto this playlist panel in Shortcut. So, let us choose the files. I have these two files from California, and there you see, as soon as you upload these files on the playlist, they start playing in this window right here. Okay. So, what you need to do is you need to bring this timeline feature little bit up here, so that you can add these videos to the timeline, and in the timeline option you will be editing and playing around with these videos. So, you want to click on these videos and drag them down, and so both of these files are now editable in your project that you have started. Okay. So, now if you see between these two files that the transition is very abrupt, right. So, you want to have a smooth transition between these files. So, what you can do is you can click the recording and drag on top of the other one and kind of overlay them, and then you will see this option appear, and that essentially signifies that these files have been merged. So, if you look at the file again, you will see that there is a smooth fade in transition that is happening between the files. So, once you are happy with the merging of the files, what you can do is you can choose the option that says export, which is this button right here, and you will have to drag this window a little bit so that you can see the preset options. So, if you want to upload it on YouTube, there is a option that is made, which you can choose in the preset. So, let us choose the YouTube option, and once you do that, you need to hit export file, and then it is going to ask you the name of the file. So, I had already exported one, so we just name it practice again, and so it will save it as MP4, and you want to replace it, just say yes. So, once you do that, you will see the progress button on the top right hand corner here. So, many a times you will have multiple files and recordings that you have made, and you would have to merge them. And so, as you saw, Shortcut is a very useful tool in doing that in a very quick time.